Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I have a scoop because I have 2 units for sale at extraordinary conditions. So why don't you come on in? So both of these units are for sale separately or together, and the owner offers owner financing for 10 years with only 20% down. So the conditions are really superb and the units have to go. So one of these units can be yours, or if you want to come with your family, both of them can be purchased. So you know what to do. Click on the link here below for more information. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.